What I'm cutting now is a mozzarella in carrozza, a traditional Italian dish from Campania. And this is so much easy to do, and the ingredients are just salt, flour, sunflower seeds, oil, bread, eggs. The traditional recipe is made with buffalo mozzarella cheese, but I only had mozzarella cheese and breadcrumbs. So how can we cook it? The first step is to cut the mozzarella cheese or the buffalo mozzarella cheese into slices and then place it in a plate with parchment paper. After that, we need to dry our mozzarella cheese with some kitchen paper. Then we need to cut the edges of the bread, but since I had the bread without edges, I skipped this part. Now we can finally compose our mozzarella in carrozza. The first thing to do is to put the dried mozzarella in one slice of bread and then start pressing it. But before closing it, add some salt. Then you can choose if you want to cut your slice of bread. I made some triangles. The next step is to break some eggs. I used 3 eggs and then start beating them either with a fork or with a whisk. So after all this preparation phase, we can start breading our mozzarella in carrozza. The first thing to do is to pass it in the flour, then in the eggs, and lastly in breadcrumbs. Do it with all slices of bread, and then we can finally start frying them. You can even put it in an oven. And now we're ready to deep fry our mozzarella in carrozza. I put some sunflower seeds oil in a frying pan and then waited until ready. Over medium-high heat, I put the mozzarella in carrozza and waited until golden. The last step is to drain it with some kitchen paper. And that's how mozzarella in carrozza is made.